Guys, this is Susana Bartolata Mix Vlog. Guys, we're going to harvest my lemon. See, look at this lemon, guys. Ay, ang laki-laki. So, this is the tree here. Very far from our place there. This is all the bamboo. This is already a durian area, guys. So got one more big there. So tick. The monkey didn't eat this one. There. Two big one. Got some more there. This one is too small. Another one here. Uy, spoiled already because of the soil. It's come from the soil, guys. Never mind, that one is only skin. Guys, so many fruits here. See? And this one, that one also underneath also got so many here. He lying down, you know. But still got a lot. And my calamansi tree also is full of fruits. There, go up there, still small. See, got so many fruits, small one. On top there also got. Agay. Natinik ako eh. Ito guys, lemon. Ayan guys, ang tigas niyan. Kamayin ko na nga lang. Ayan. Tatlo na. Ayan pa guys. Kunin. Apat. Yung pa guys, matinik. Ayan. Ayun pa yung isa. Hindi ko muna kukunin. Matinik siya guys. Yan pa guys, aray, matinik. Kunin ko na ito. Okay. Pwede na ito mahinog. Yan. Marami pang bunga ito guys. Yung pang bunga green pa Guys, ang dami niyang bunga guys. Yan pa guys. Ito pa, gabi ang bunga. Ito, maliliit pa siya guys. Ito pa siya guys. Maliliit siya guys. Yung mga bulaklak, ito na naging fruits na. Ito pa siya guys. Ayun pa guys. Ayan, ang dami guys. Maliliit pa yung iba. Yan, maliliit pa. Ito, malaki na ito. Pakita pa ako sa inyo yung kalamansi ko guys. Ang daming bunga guys. Maliliit pa siya guys. Ito pa siya guys. Ayan pa, ito pa nga siya. Ang daming bunga, maliliit pa siya. Tapos ayan pa guys. Uy, may hinog na nga. Maliit lang siya pero juicy siya. Juicy. Maliit lang siya na variety pero very juicy siya guys. Ayan pa guys. Ayan pa guys. Dito lang yan sa may stable. Ang dami guys, Hinog na siya guys, Pero juicy siya kahit maliit lang siya. Yan guys, ang daming lemon na bunga. Kaya hindi na ako hindi na ako bibili ng lemon. Yung chili ko guys, kasi hinog na kakainin lang ito ng ibon. Thank you so much guys to all my subscribers and my viewers. I love you all guys. Please subscribe my channel, Susana Bartolata Mix Vlog. Ang na-harvest ko na lemon. Yan. Ma-juicy po siya guys. May kaunting mangosteen. Ako napulot. Yan guys.